Hey everyone, this is Alicia and today on my channel we are going to look at BTS's RM or Kim Namjoon's tarot reading. The reading is going to focus on his general energy, health, music and opportunities that might come to him. And we are also going to ask the oracle decks for additional messages. Now before we get into the reading, I would like to mention few things. I am Xylecia, as you all know, and I have been into tarot since 2016 and I have been doing readings since 2018. Now this was a request from one of our viewers, and if you guys want me to read another member or any other groups, please let me know in the comments down below. Now some disclaimers that are very important. Please remember that this reading is for entertainment purpose only and is meant to be viewed for entertainment only. So please let me know if I hurt somebody's sentiment while I'm going through these readings. Now I would also like to mention that these are just my assumption and is not set in stone, because tarot readings are basically based on energy. I'm just speaking and reading their current energy, and energies change every day, so what might come today might be different from what will come tomorrow. I am in no way associated to them, nor do I know them personally, and whatever the reading will be, it's purely going to be based on my assumption. Once again, I would like to remind that if any of you guys find something disagreeable, please let me know in the comments down below. This reading is going to be based on the span of 6 months, upcoming 6 to 1 month, 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 1 year. So without further ado, let's get right into our reading. Before actual reading, I always do meditation on the groups or the members that I'm doing. So I did that thing and there were some things I picked up on his energy. That was, he's very confident about himself, he's very self-assured, and he has a tendency to be extremely perfectionist. Now always don't get me wrong about this, being a perfectionist is not bad, but I myself is also a perfectionist, so I tend to take a lot of time while making these videos. So he's also like that. He puts a lot of effort in his work, and that's why his work, when it doesn't come as the way he wants, he becomes very stressed about it, and I picked that energy. So as I said, he's very perfect. He's an extreme perfectionist, and sometimes to the point that he tends to stress a lot about it. Now I have also seen him while I was meditating on him. I also saw him, he was playing and joking around with his members. Now don't get me wrong, but I saw Jin specifically, so I think he might be hanging out with him a lot, and he's also exercising and he's eating very well, but he gets easily distracted. I don't know if it's a sudden development, but he's been getting a little bit distracted, while he's doing something, he's using social media or something like that. I mean, he's getting a little bit distracted, but he's very serious. His energy is very serious, and he's very serious about something, so I picked that up also. And he's coming and going to his agency a lot. I saw that, cars going and coming back like that. He's going to his agency, then he's going back to his dorm or house, and he's doing that a lot. Now I will say a few things. I'm sorry if you guys feel bad about it, but this came up, so I thought better be honest about it. Is that he's worried about something, and since he's working hard a lot, he's really working hard, so he's a little bit tired. He's tired and he's worried about something. Now I do not know what it was, because I could not pick that energy, but he's worried about something, and he has a lot of things he keeps bottled up within himself. He has a lot of things he keeps he doesn't let anybody know what is actually going on inside his head or inside his mind, and he tends to keep to himself a lot. And I know this might be a bit offensive to some of the armies, but I'm not really sure why this came up, and please do forgive me, please, if you guys find it bad or something. But he has a habit of checking himself out a lot. Like, he likes to look at the mirror and fix his hair or something like that. He has a tendency to do that a lot. So that came up, or maybe he's doing that recently. So yeah, this was the meditation part I did for him. This came up instantly. Now we'll get in the actual reading. Let's begin. So I've already pre-shuffled the decks because my space here is very limited. So if I start shuffling, things will get really messy, and we have fire, so I'm avoiding fire hazards, as you can see. So first we have his overall energy, which is the Fool. Let me give you a close-up. Can you see it? Yeah, the Fool. So basically, when the Fool comes out, it's a very positive card. First of all, let me get that out there. It's a very positive card, and when the Fool comes out, it basically signifies that there is something new that's going to happen. New beginnings, new adventures, new journey, something like that. And he's going to take a leap of faith towards this new journey, and he's going to be very cautious before he takes the leap, but he's going to take the leap. And this leap of faith will bring him to a new adventure. It will bring him a new journey, and I think that is very exciting, because we all love new beginnings, and I think he deserves that a lot. So yeah, it's a new beginning for him. I think that's going to be amazing. So let's begin with our tarot cards. This is for the general energy. First we have the Empress. Now then we have Six of Pentacles, and that is Four of Swords. Now the Empress is a wonderful card, and I'll tell you why. Because when the Empress comes up, it means that he's embracing his softer sides. He's allowing himself to explore his emotions a lot, his feelings, his emotions. He's trying to explore them, and that is something we really should all do. As I said, he tends to keep a lot of secrets to himself. He tends to keep to himself. So I think if he is exploring his softer sides, if he's exploring his how do I say this? If he's exploring his emotions, that is going to bring him a lot of maturity, and he's going to do that, and he's going to listen to his intuition a lot. And because he will be exploring his softer side, because he will be listening to his intuition, people will be really drawn to him. They will be drawn to his empathetic sides. They will be drawn to his charming sides. They will be drawn to him, and especially those people who need empathy, who need compassion, who need nurture. Because when he's going into his emotions, he's developing this nurturing, empathetic sides of him, and that's why he's going to attract a lot of people who needs this kind of helps. So yeah, that is a wonderful thing. And because he's developing his nurturing sides, softer sides, he is going to help people around him a lot. He's going to help the people around him, and he's going to receive a lot of help from the people around him. And he's going to be very well respected by others, and he might get into a position of authority, and he will be really valued for his work, for his thoughts, for his work. He will be really valued for that, and he will be rewarded for all of his hard works. The work that he has put into so much, the work that he has put his energy into, he will be rewarded for that. And this message just came right now, is that I think he's going to do a charity or some kind of donation. I mean, if you guys have seen my BTS tarot reading video, I have said that before, that they're going to do a lot of charity, a lot of donation during this time. So I think he's going to be involved in it as well. Of course, he's going to be involved in it as well. I mean, what I want to say is that he's going to be involved personally, not just as a group, but he's going to do donations or charity personally also. So that is such an amazing thing. I really respect him for that. And yeah, But even after all this, as I said, because he's developing his nurturing side, because he's looking into his emotions a lot, and that's why it's going to make him a little bit worried and anxious. As I said before, that while I was meditating on him, I catch the worried energy of him a lot. So I think since he's going to dive deeper into his emotion, he's going to get a little bit worried, and he's going to feel really anxious. And I don't know why, but this came up again. He tends to have, he has a habit of negative thinking. Now this might like, we're all humans, right? So negative thinking is a part of us. Like even it's in me. I also tend to do a lot of negative thinking, and I think he also tends to do a lot of negative thinking. And sometimes this negative thinking takes him to the point where he is worried and he's anxious basically about nothing. He tends to do a lot of negative thinking, so that might affect his and as I was saying, like, since he's diving deeper into his emotion, he tends to be very anxious, and he's like, why am I thinking like this, why am I feeling like this? And since he's like this, why, he's becoming anxious, like, why am I feeling like this? As I said, sorry, when I'm channeling the messages, it just becomes, I tend to ramble a lot, and his messages are coming very rapidly, very quickly, so I just want to get it all out. And yeah, and since as I said, since he's helping others a lot, he's going to receive help also, and he's going to receive a lot of mental support, moral support, as I can say. And I think he's going to take some rest also. He's going to take some kind of break also. Now I'm not saying it in the other way, don't get me wrong, Amish, please, but I think since he's working hard a lot, he's going to take rest also. He's going to take rest. He's just not going to be like work. He's going to be like work, rest. You guys can see my BTS tarot reading video. I said that thing also, that they are going to maintain balance a lot. They're going to find balance a lot. And what balance means is that if you do this, you do that also. So like, if he's working out, he's going to take rest also, and if he's going to take rest, he's going to work out also. So now we'll go for the other cards. We're going to move these cards, and we're going to check the cards for his music. So these are the cards that I have for music. These are King of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. Now for music, I think he's going to do a lot of motivating songs. I think his songs are going to be about not caring what others think about you. His songs are going to be like that. He's going to show his very mature self. He's going to show his very mature self through his songs, and it's going to show that he doesn't care about others' negative opinions about him. He believes in himself, and he is going to show exactly that. He's going to show that he trusts in his music, he trusts in himself, and that energy is going to reflect off his music, and his music is exactly going to help others feel that way too. When we live in a society, we really tend to think a lot about what others might think of us, but his songs are going to make you feel in a certain way that's going to make you feel like you shouldn't care about what the other people say, because people are always going to talk, and his music is going to say, like, do not care about what others say. You are you, and you should trust yourself. And as I said, he's going to show his mature sides, and he's going to show his mature sides. He's very confident natured. He's natural leadership, friendliness, charming. He's good with words, and he's going to show this energy in his songs. He's going to show his free thinking, passionate, honest, loyal self through his songs. and his songs are going to reflect that energy a lot. So I think that is really something to be thrilled about. Sorry, I'm sorry, I'm just getting really excited, so my throat is becoming scratched a little bit. And he's going to do songs about issues, issues that reflect on that affect our society, and he's going to do those kind of songs a lot. And he's also going to do songs about community, coming home, reunion, and this kind of songs. These are very very different from what the K-pop industry has been used to. And these songs, they are going to be very different, very individualistic. How do I say it? Very individualistic. The songs, when you listen to the songs, you will exactly know that these were created by him. He is going to exude that kind of energy in his songs, and I think that is such an amazing thing. That is such an amazing thing. Sorry, it just makes me feel so happy, seeing this. And seeing this, it makes me feel so happy. And because his songs are going to be very different, these different songs are going to bring him a lot of success, and he's going to receive a lot of recognition, a lot of reward for these songs. And like, that is such a wonderful news, right? That is such a wonderful news. I'm going to move these cards, and we're going to look at the cards for his health. First we have physical health, and then we'll have mental health. Now for the physical health, I might say that his physical health is quite good. He's working out, as I said before, he's working out, he's eating well, he's sleeping well. So his physical health is very good, and his fitness is also improving a lot, and he's really taking good care of himself. If he had suffered from injuries before, he is gaining, he's recovering very well from that. And his health in physical state, it's really good, and there's nothing we should be worried about at the moment about his health. So now for mental health, you guys might, please don't hate me for it, because some things might be a bit triggering, but as I said before, I'm channeling the messages directly. And some messages, that I'm receiving right now, it could be a bit different from what we might expect. So basically, the Hermit and the Hanged Man. Now the Hermit, in terms of mental health, is it's not bad, but it's not good either. Okay, so yeah, he's feeling a bit rushed. I might say he's feeling a bit rushed, and he's not having the time to breathe. Like, he's working hard a lot. And as I said earlier, remember this card, Four of Swords, right? Now this card, you could say, came in retrospect to this too. Now when the Hermit comes, it basically is that he's feeling very rushed, and he's not really giving time to himself. He's working very hard, and he's not taking enough rest. He's sleeping well, but he's not taking enough rest to calm down mentally. And he really needs to clear his mind, and I think he is in the process of that. He's trying to clear his mind, he's trying to stay mentally as positive as he can. But as I said before, he tends to have negative thinkings a lot. So that could be affecting him. And I think he's rethinking about how to deal with his issues. He's rethinking about it, and he's going to find a solution to that very soon. But the spirit is also saying him that I think the spirits really guide him, and I think they're already saying him that he needs to calm down. I know it's very hard for him, because he works out a lot, he works very hard, and it's very hard for him to calm down. But the spirits are saying to him that he needs to let everything go in its own pace. He tends to rush things a lot, and because of that, as I said, because of that, he's not feeling, very mentally, how do I say this, he's not feeling very mentally calm. So he needs to, how do I say this, he needs to give time. He needs to give time to himself, so that he can rest, so that he can allow himself to heal naturally, rather than rushing it, like, when you have a wound, you just leave it so it heals naturally. He needs to do something like that. But since it's taking time, he gets a little bit frustrated, because of that, because it's taking time for it to heal naturally. He tends to get frustrated, and that makes him feel rushed a lot more. So yeah, that is happening a lot. Sorry guys, if you find this a bit triggering, please let me know. I'm just channeling the messages, and these messages came really, really truly, really thoroughly. So I thought you guys should know about it, since this is an in detail reading about him. So I thought you might want to know about it. But he's going to feel very better soon, because if your physical health is well, your mental health will also improve. So do not worry about it. His physical health is very good, so his mental health is going to improve also. So don't worry about it, okay? Armies, he's going to be fine. He's going to be really okay. Don't worry. Now I'm going to move these cards, and we're going to look at the cards that came for his opportunity. These are the King of Swords, the Moon, and the Strength. Now I would say that he's going to offer, he's going to make an offer to work with someone. He's going to make an offer to work with someone who is very structured and likes to follow the rules a lot. They follow a strict routine, and they are very structured, and I think he's going to work with someone like that. He might also get different offers, but the details of it are still unknown to him. Like, maybe it's processing through his company, or you can say that. I'm not really sure about how this works, so I'm not going to speak a lot about it. But he's going to receive opportunities, but the details of it are still unknown. And I think, as I said, I think he's going to be the one approaching a lot of different artists. He'll receive opportunities, but I think he's going to take the initiative and approach different artists and collab with them. One of them might be a person who's very, has a masculine energy, or could be a male. As I said, they are very structured, and he's going to work with them. And yeah, this combination, this collaboration is going to be very successful. As you can see, the sign of infinity on her head, which means really great success. So he's going to have a lot of success for that. And I think that is a wonderful news for all the people who are looking forward to his music. Personally, I'm also looking forward to his music and BTS's music. I think I heard from a friend that they're going to come back in June. I'm not really sure, guys. I'm just getting into the fandom, but I'm really excited for it, and I'm excited for his songs also. So yeah, this is all I have for his opportunity right now at the moment. I know it's not much, but this is the information I received, and I'm not going to embellish anything. Now we are going to move the tarot cards, and we are going to ask the oracle decks for additional messages. First we have 12 of Moon, Initiate, 8 of Stars, and 12 of Sun, Night. Basically Night of Sun. Sorry guys. Now these cards, basically it's about his personality. Now, as I mentioned before, he is extremely otherworldly. He's very charming. He's he's an amazing friend, and he has a very, he has a very distinct way with his words, and he has this natural leadership, that is very attractive, and this is going to draw him a lot of attention from the people. And yeah, he's going to get a lot of work invitation for that also. As I said before in the opportunity section, he's going to receive a lot of work invitation, but the details of it are still unknown, so I'm not going to talk about it further. Also, I just want to say this came out, this just came through. He might feel a little bit sick, I think, in the month of May, but he will feel better soon. And do not worry about that. I think it could be something seasonal, but he's going to feel a lot better very soon, and he is going to have a lot of new adventures. He might travel a lot, he might do a lot of new things that he has never done before, and this is going to be very exciting for him, and he's going to enjoy it a lot. Yeah, I actually have another thing I want to say, but I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna skip that, and we're going to look at the other cards. This message just came through again. I think the spirits, they want me to let you guys know, but I'm not sure. I'm just going to skip it. Then we have nothingness, we have intensity, and we have projections. Now, nothingness, this card might look a bit dull, but believe me, this card is, and how do I say this card, it holds the potential. What this means is that basically, right now, how do I say this, it's like he's an egg. How do I say this? He's an egg, sorry, this message just came so randomly. How do I say this? Okay, it's like he's a seed. What seeds are like, when you plant them, they do not grow out immediately, right? So they take time, they do their own thing, and then they grow up to be a beautiful tree, right? So he's in a state of like that. He's in a state of seed. And what this seed means that it has a lot of potential, and it's in the stage of building something. I think he's building something. And he's in the initial stages at the moment. But this seed has a potential, the potential to be something really big, something really universal. How do I say this? The messages, while I'm reading this card, I keep seeing supernova, I keep seeing black hole, I keep seeing universe, as in the whole galaxy. Before, like how the galaxy was formed, remember, we had nothingness, and then all of a sudden Big Bang happened, and then the stars started to form, right? So it's something like that. Nothingness, this card, it means something like that. This message came very specifically, so I just had to put it out. Sorry guys, my throat is very scratchy, I don't know why. And yeah, he's building something really sacred, something that has the potential to change, something that has the potential of an universe, something that has the potential of a Big Bang kind of thing. It's very big, it's very amazing. Sorry, my English is really weird. Yeah, something scared is about to be born, so we have to look forward for that. And in making this thing, he's moving solely towards it. He's only focused on that, and he's moving forward towards it in a, how do I say this, have you seen those horses, those horses that wears those eye guards so that they do not get distracted. He's at the moment, he's like that at the moment, you know. He's trying his best not to get distracted, though he does get distracted sometimes, but he's trying not to get distracted, and he's moving towards that one thing, you know, in a very fast motion. And because he's moving towards that in a very fast motion, it's like, you know, when a meteor comes, you know, when a meteor comes, it's like that. It's like that. He's moving towards something in a meteor form, you know. It's very fast and it's solely focused on something, right? So he's moving like that, and because he's moving like that, this is going to create ripples around him, you know. This is going to bring him, when this thing is done, this thing is going to bring him a lot of attention, you know. This is going to create ripples in the industry. Means like when you when a big wave crashes, right, the things, they get sorry, my mind, just a lot of messages, there's a channeling. So how do I say this, like you know, when you throw a rock in a pond and there are ripples around it, he's going to create something like that, you know, something like that, but in a much more bigger scale. I really do not know the words for that, but it's going to be something like that. And he's going to bring in a lot of attention because of that, you know. He's going to bring in a lot of attention. He's going to be others are going to be really aware of him. And there is nothing that is holding him back from achieving this success. This is inevitable. This is going to happen. He is going to, you know, create something that the industry has never seen before. And wow, that was a strong message. And you know why? And because he's moving slowly towards it, because he's in a state like that where he's planting the seeds, where he's focusing his work and energy on that. Oh, wow, just a bird chirped right now. I think, you know, spirits just said that these messages were really true. Mother Nature just, you know, accompanied me. Yeah. So since he's, you know, in a state like this, he's going to receive a lot of clarity, something this clarity he didn't have this clarity before, but since he is in a stage of a seed, he's going to receive this clarity, and he's going to see the reality for what it is. He's going to see the reality in an eye to eye moment, you know. He's going to have this aha moment, you know, something that is like, it's going to like light a bulb inside of him. And because of that, he's going to do something, he's going to create something that will, you know, change the industry in a very different level. He's going to change the industry in a very different level. And yeah, let's see the other cards we have for him. Show the world the real you, as I said, and balance spirituality and practicality. Now, since he's moving in this direction, since he has he's in a seed stage, as I said before, he's going to receive this aha moment, as I mentioned before. He's going to show the world more of who he is truly, you know. He's going to show his lots of different sides that we have never seen before. If you guys have seen my video on the group reading, you would see that I told you guys, right, that they are going to show a sides of him that the industry has never seen before, that you guys have never seen before. And he's going to do the same thing. He's going to show the world what he truly is and what he truly feels. And he's not going to hide something, and he's going to show the abilities that makes him special, that makes him what he is. And that thing, that this image of him is going to bring him a lot of success, you know, a lot of success from a lot of different sides. How do I say this? A lot of different attention, good attention, a lot of different good attention. And right now, but before all of this, right now, at the very moment, he's using too much of his head right now. He's using too much of his head, but he's going to, you know, discover his softer sides very soon. I think he's going to start at the month of May is very significant for him. I do not know why. This month of May, it came thrice now. Thrice. So month of May, I think month of May is going to be very significant for him, and he is going to, really see the reality. He's going to see the reality, and he's going to use his heart as much as he uses his head, and this is going to bring him a lot closer to his emotions, bring him a lot of how do I say this, it's going to help him dive deeper into his emotions, and he's going to release his fears. He's going to release what makes him feel scared, what makes him feel anxious. So basically he's going to do a lot of shadow work on himself, and shadow work is basically finding out what triggers you, what makes you feel scared, what angers you. He's going to work on those aspects of him a lot, and that is going to bring him really closer to his softer sides. This card, wait, let me just get it back. Where did it go? Basically that. Wait, just let me get this back. I don't think the Empress, she wants to be seen at the moment. Where did she go? Wow. Yeah, I found her. Sorry, I do not want any fire hazards at the moment. So basically, yeah. He's going to dive into his softer sides. He's going to dive into his spirituality. He's going to dive into his emotion, and he's going to work a lot on his shadow self, and that is going to bring him a lot of maturity, and he's going to find out what he truly is. He's going to find a lot about himself during this time, and I think that is a wonderful thing, and we should all do that too. So with that, our reading about him comes to an end here. If you guys liked my reading, if you guys like the way I did this, please let me know in the comments down below, and if you guys want me to do any other member, please let me know that too. And if you like the content that I'm uploading on my channel, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your fellow army so that we can grow as a community. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Oh, wait. Stay safe, maintain the protocols, and I hope you guys and your loved ones, they all stay really safe during these tough times. I just hope we'll get through this very soon. Bye bye. Be blessed.